Hey everybody. So what did I get in the mail today? Or well, actually I got it yesterday. But I thought I recorded today. I don't know. So I'm going to open it up and see what's in here. First let me introduce myself if you are new to my channel. My name is Pam, Pamela's Creations, and I crochet, diamond paint, make jewelry, and I'm learning paper crafts. And I'm learning also cross stitching. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. So let me pause the video and open up the box because I just don't have any room, and we'll see what's in here. So I got this shape cutting starter kit by Sizzix. It is a die and embossing starter kit. Super cool. So, yeah. Look at that. I'm super excited. So, we're going to open up the box and see what's in there. It's supposed to be a starter kit, so yeah, let's get into it. 1 second. So here it is, everyone. My Big Shot Sizzix die cutting and embossing kit machine. Super excited. Wanted to make some cards and everything else, so I had to practice it with a little bit to get the hang of it a little bit. So what it came with was your cutting boards, 2 of them. Let's see here, 2 of them, and then your adapters. If you can see that, stretch it out a little bit. This is an adapter for the smaller dies, the thin metal dies. Okay, put that over here. I don't have a lot of room to work on, guys. And this is also for the thin metal dies. And you put it down, the board down first. Right here. Like so. Let's see here. Okay. So here's that. And this is I believe this is an embossing folder, which you use this adapter here for embossing. Here. Pretty cool. And then, let's see here. I have, oops. Yeah, I have no room, guys. It came with also, let's see here. Some paper. Wow, I just have no room. Sorry for the loud bang. Came with some paper. Craft Asylum, yeah. And then it came with some dies. Pretty cool. Let's see here. And so I used one of them. I used this one here. Okay. I'm gonna move you down a little bit. Okay. So yeah, those are its adapters, and I cut out some pieces here on some paper. Some flowers. Butterflies. Super cute. And then this. Isn't that pretty? And then a heart. Let's see what else I have. I thought I cut something else. So that's what I cut with those. And then you get which I've never used a die machine before. I thought this was super neat. And then I did this. And I used this die here. So let's see here. I can put these ones I've already cut. I'm going to put them away in a safe, you know, like a little plastic container so I can use them for future projects because, yeah, I don't want to waste those. And so let's see here. So this die block. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'll use this one. All right, guys, I'm back. Had some technical difficulties today. So, I showed you the first die with the big block and everything that went in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this video until I can get more room. Because everything is just falling over and nothing's working right. So, I just wanted to show you my machine, my die cutting machine that I got. I'm going to piece this video together and I am going to upload it. I will put the link down below in the description box of where I purchased this. I am not affiliated with them at all. But I wanted to give it a shot and see what it was like. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Anyways, I just need to get more practice on it. I was able to do the big block with the flowers and whatnot on there. These ones here, the bigger block, to cut those. It's super neat, and I'm gonna save those for a project. And then when I learn the embossing folder and the other ones, I will show you a demonstration on that. So I'm going to get off here, and thank you for watching my box opening on my Big Shot Sizzix machine. All right, everyone. Have a blessed day. Bye.